How to fight like Reacher. Now I'll give you to the count of 3. 1, 2. And that's how you fight like Reacher. How to fight like Reacher. Boxer. Southpaw. Yeah. Golden gloves. You know the problem with boxing? What's that? Too many rules. So you go, boom, right to the groin, boom, forehead. I'm gonna come in, boom, uppercut, boom, elbow strike. So a little, boom, how to fight like Reacher. So we got that low strike to the groin, forehead into the head, come in with an uppercut, boom, and an elbow strike right across the chin. Season 1 goes into the clink, lock up, gets thrown into maximum security section. Let's go. He's in his jail cell. Reacher jumps down and says, now, you seem to have a problem. This is my house. And you didn't ask permission. So I'm gonna ask you guys to leave now, or else they're gonna carry your house out in a bucket. Now, I'm gonna give you the count of 3. 1. And you know who I am. 2. How to fight like Reacher, okay? So Reacher's a lot taller than most of those guys, so that's why I have this guy kind of here. Now I'll give you to the count of 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, boom, grab, pull the head over, bang, right into the carotid artery, going into the crotch of the neck with that elbow, not into the head. Make them go to sleep. Put it right in the neck. Now I'll give you the count of 3. 1, 2. Atemiwaza. Arm. Elbow. Empeuchi. Till he goes. Right? Now, Reacher versus, the bar blows. Reacher versus the doorman. The Golden Glove boxer, doorman. Boxer, eh? Southpaw. Yeah, Golden Gloves. You know, the problem with boxing is too many rules. And out like a light he was, just like that. Yeah, the old bar brawls. Let's go. One of those best punches in that chin is just coming right up into that with that uppercut or that 45. It's right there, right on the end of that chin, like this. Boom. Especially if they're talking. Yeah. Usually, just like this from this position here, this hand would be the one out doing this. And then from there, it's just boom. Right off the kisser. And just, hey. And then you just boom. It's just like that. It's a short movement, but it's powerful right under the kisser. Right into their tongues out. They're going to be spitting tongue. All right? So, just kind of arms crossed, whichever side you're more accessible to. Keep that hand on the top. Create a centerline shield as you're talking to them. Hey, and they're not going to get moving or they put a hand on you or do something like that. You just move your hand from here. Whoa, right under that chin. Real quick clipper. All right, let's go. So I'm here. Hey, settle down. Take it easy. Hey, you could even use this hand to keep them away from you. I don't suggest doing something like this because that'll leave you susceptible to getting hit. So I would like you to keep this hand kind of close to you. All right, so just keep it close to you like this. And then from there, you could do a little finger jab to the eyes or something, or a palm strike right on the forehead, just with this front hand like this. Something from Teki Shodan, a little Teki kata that we have. All right, so keep it here. Keep your hands underneath that elbow, and you're looking at that. You got that palm strike to the face, and bang, you've got this hand that can come straight in, or the elbow that can come straight in after that palm strike, okay? So, the passive but assertive position. It's not aggressive. I want more of a passive assertive. So, hey, I've got my assertiveness when I bring my hand up and I control that center line, as well as I have this hand here to control anything going low, like a kick or someone trying to grab you or something like that. Watch out for those, okay? Yeah, just like we did. We did that one on the reacher one too, is a little knock on the wood, okay? All right, so from here, keep that hand up. And yeah, again, could be a palm strike, could be a finger jab, could be an uppercut like that just onto the chops, okay? Even from here, whoosh, you just turn into that forward elbow, whoosh, turn into that up elbow, sideways elbow. You've got all of these right off of this position. And we haven't even grabbed a hold of them at this point, right? Using those elbows, those blades. And if they're nice and short for you like this, it makes it really easy, eh? Thanks, Bob, for being short. It's really helpful.